you see this video, that means everything went well. So today I'm going to be heading to a junkyard to pick up some Honda Accord Spats for this. Apparently the 94 through 96 models fit this car. Unfortunately, I had a few people either sell or just not even reply back to the GC8 or GCF rear spats. I found a couple of Marketplace that were really good deals, and then the one set sold literally as soon as I messaged the guy, and then the other one just ghosted me. So I'm gonna be trying this trick as a backup to the actual spats. So might be blasphemy to some people putting Honda parts on a Subaru, but I'm gonna hope that this works. So I'll see you guys in a bit whenever I get there, and let's go. All right, y'all, just got to the junkyard. Not really allowed to take any videos or anything when I'm in there, so try and go in, make it quick. Thinking it's gonna take about 20, maybe 30 minutes, if that. I've read that the clips are pretty hard to get to, so go ahead and go in there and get it done. Nice Tacoma and a old Fox body sitting next to me, so pretty cool. Let's get it done. Well, boys, I'm at the junkyard. Not really allowed to film, but you know, whatever. Ended up pulling these off. Came off pretty well, so can't wait to get these back home and put these on off the 95 Accord. So let's go do it. All right, boys, finally home. Took about an hour to get there and then to get back. So I have the rear spats here and getting ready to clean these up. So everything looked to be intact. All you needed to use, or all I needed to use, was a 10mm ratchet and then a socket. The ratchet just came in handy because there are a couple of these like taller pieces, such as that one and that one. Well, that one was already actually jacked up, but it's not too bad. But some smaller piece areas that you're going to be working in to get these off. So it was like that on both sides, but thankfully they came out and they look pretty good. So according to the other videos I've seen, I'm pretty sure these top bracket parts are going to be cut off anyway, because they're going to kind of just, yeah, see, in order for it to get flush, we're going to have to just cut this top part off. So yeah, I'm super excited. This should go right behind the muffler. So without any more screwing around, I'm going to go ahead and get these cleaned up and see if I have something that I can cut this stripping off, just to make it flush. Otherwise it's not going to work. But I wanted to show you how much these actually were. So I'll hide my card number. I paid a whopping $18 for these, and there was a $3 entry fee. So about 21 bucks for some rear spats. So not bad compared to like the $400 JDM ones, or if people that have them want, you know, whatever they want for them. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get everything cleaned up and see if I have anything that I can cut these up and start getting them flushed, or flush fitment. All right, y'all. So as you can see, I got everything trimmed up. I'm starting to clean these up now. All I used was some scissors and a straight edge razor blade. Very nice. It cut through everything really good, especially my hand, so don't be a dumbass like me. Cut away from yourself. Could also be because I'm having one of the last of my old styles from Wisconsin that I got from the road trip video that I did earlier this year. Really good beer. Have to go back just to get some of that. But anyway, as you can see, we've got the spat here, and just gonna do like a rough fit, and yeah, that's gonna look freaking awesome. So I'm gonna finish cleaning these up and get this to where it will be fully on there. So yeah. All right, so after everything's cleaned up, as you can see, I have my double-sided tape set up on the top part of the spats. I got it as close to this top lip as possible after doing some mock-ups down here. Oh, if I don't fall on my ass, probably going to. You can kind of tell that when this sits up here, the top part has no problem sitting there and lining up around the bumper, but the bottom part kind of sticks out a little bit. So it's a terrible video on that, but what I'm gonna do is take these screws from one of our front lips that didn't quite work out for us, and I'm just gonna drill these into the bottom portion of the bumper. So like I said, once I mock it up and actually get it on there and the tape set down, I am going to show you what it looks like on the driver's side. And then the passenger side will be a little bit different just because there aren't any pre-drilled holes from the Honda bumper. So like I said, gonna get this on here, and definitely got to make sure I wash the fenders. They're pretty dirty, so, or the bumper, sorry. So yeah, I'll get the driver's side on and show you the results. Oh, okay, just making sure this is on. But as you can tell from my face, I'm super hyped. This is turning out awesome. So like I said, I put the driver's side on first, and I'll show you guys what I did. Boom. Getting ready to pull the car out so you can see it a little bit better. So all I did was line this section with the double-sided tape, used the heat gun, applied it to the tape before putting it on and the body of the car, or the bumper, and that is the fitment. So I wanted to get it done while I had it up there. The tape was starting to peel back just a little bit because of the angle that this is at. So all I did was add 2 screws here, one here and one here, straight to the bumper. I'm not too terribly worried about this rear bumper. As you can see, I've already got some scuffs and stuff just from age on it. So 2 little screws on there aren't gonna be a problem. But as you can see, wiggle, this thing ain't going anywhere. So I'm freaking hyped. For 18 bucks, this is gonna be a game changer as far as looks go. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the passenger side and get it done. And yes, the mud flaps are still functional with this. So one more look there. Go ahead and get the passenger side done and roll it outside. All right, y'all, here's the final result. Just pulled the car out. Man, I'm extremely hyped. Check it out. Like I said, just did the double-sided tape on the top part, 2 screws on the bottom. Those suckers aren't going anywhere. Fitment is pretty good considering these were off an Accord. So I'm gonna drop, hopefully, I think I got a picture of both the part numbers of these. If not, I did get one. I will drop those if you think you can find them somewhere, but otherwise, just go to your local junkyard, get the 94 to 96, or maybe it's 95 Honda Accord. You can definitely pull these off. So a little side view. Man, looks pretty good, especially with those 2.5 RS side skirts on there. So, or GF8, whichever they came off of. Man, super excited, and for 18 bucks, you cannot beat this. So let me know what you guys think. You can hate on me if you want, since it's Honda parts on a Subaru, but I'm happy. It's a 25-year-old car. Just gotta go out and have fun with it. So hope you guys enjoy some of these videos I'm doing. Makes me feel good. A lot of us out there with these older Impreza wagons still keeping these cars alive. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.